Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm going to share the huge Hobby Lobby clearance haul. I ended up going to 5 different Hobby Lobbies. 3 of them had minimal clearance and the other 2 had really good clearance. Let me show you what I picked up because I have a lot to go through. The first thing that I picked up is this Paper Studio. This is the Floral and Fruits collection. It was only $5.49. It is the cardstock sheets, which I love, and of course I got it because of the fruits. It's one of my favorite things to craft. I picked up this llama paper crafting kit. This was only $1.74. The little safari, Hello Little Angel. And these kits, not only is it great that they have matching papers, but they also have stickers, embellishments, and an alpha. Cannot beat that price. And then we have the unicorn one, and I don't think I have any of these ones from the last time. I picked up 2 of these Happy Planner Get It Done sheets. This is the 8.5 by 11. This is the Happy Planner size that I use, and it was $1.99, and I did get 2 of these. I picked up this set of stickers. They were only 99 cents. Look at how pretty those flowers are, and I feel like I have a paper pad that matches this or is very similar to these. I picked up this mauve colored cardstock. It was $1.99. It has some of the lighter grays in there. The Tim Holtz, this is the double-sided 24 sheets of vintage paper. That was $2.12. Lots of variety in that pack. I picked up a couple of the 6x6s. This is Earthy Pink, and this was $2.99. The Pretty Petals, which was $1.74, and this was Cotton Candy, and this was $2.29. It's kind of strange that they were, well, these are different prices, but they were the same price. This paper pad was more expensive. Look at that, $11.99 to $6.99, and they're the same. Anyways, picked up those 3. And guys, I'm in the little corner of my craft room. We're getting ready to install some racks for my punches and a magnetic board, so I had to clear this area out. And before we start working in here, I thought I would film this video. This is the Homebody sticker book. I love sticker books. I do use them, but not for anything serious. I just use them to journal with. This is the Botanical. This is the Bees. This one is so cute. Picked up these owl stickers for 62 cents. These cute baby ones for 74 cents. These duckies for $1.24. These gems for 99 cents. These enamel dots for 99 cents. I saw people haul other colors. This was the only pack and the only color that I could find at any of the stores that I went to. I picked up 1 stamp set. I didn't mean to pick this one up. I was looking at it. It ended up in my cart, which is fine. It was only $2.49, and I do like that scribble. It's cute. Picked up these envelopes because of that nice color, and these were only $1.24, and there's 12 envelopes and 12 card bases. This one, I love cardstock. It's my favorite thing to make cards on, and this was $1.24. And then we have the Baby Boy sticker pack. This will go into my baby box for my journals. Picked up a couple different kinds of sack bags. These were $1.24, and you get the multicolors of the flat bags. These ones with the clear fronts, they were $1.24. These ones in the brown were 99 cents, and then these much larger ones were $1.49. These are great for a Happy Mail. Then we have these cute bear stickers. They were $1.24. These camping ones for $1.24. These cute rainbows for $1.24. And I picked these up to go with the unicorn paper kit that I purchased. It matches that. Another paper pad. This is the 4.5 by 6.5 size for $1.49. This paper is a little bit thinner, but it makes really good layering. It has a lot of things that match each other. All of these ephemera packs were $1.24. Just show the back, I guess. And these are stickers. So this is one of the fall themes. We have the flowers. This actually kind of goes with that one. So this is the stickers, and then this goes with it. Picked up the llamas because they're so cute, and the mermaid and the girls. Here's some more stickers. These were $1.24. They are layered stickers. They're cute. Picked up a ton of beading supplies. Mystical Misty, I will link her channel down below. She showed a looper tool that makes the loops on the straight head pins. Immediately purchased it. I have poor vision, so I'm not able to do those types of things without a tool. Now that I have a tool that will help me close those ends, I thought I should go ahead and pick up the beads while they are on these great clearance. I found these beautiful ones. They were $2.49. These pearl type ones, also $2.49. Fun ones that I thought I could use for the blue Christmas. We have some twine, 2 different colors. Those were $1.12 each. I did pick up a couple of Valentine's Day. These were 90% off. So this is iron-on and it's the little flowers. 90% off of the $15.99. This was the removable vinyl and there's a couple of different colors in there. And this was originally $13.99 and then 90% off. These burlap hearts, also 90% off. These clay bits for $2.49, and these are the flowers. These work great in shakers and for sharing in Happy Mail. These little heart ones, 74 cents. I picked up these pre-made clips for $1.24. These charms are mermaids. They were 99 cents. I did pick up 2 of these alpha beads. They were $1.24. I figured now that I can make some of the dangles myself, that I can personalize it with my swap partner's name, and I wanted to make sure that I had enough of the same color. So I did pick up 2 of those and also some hearts to make those, and those were only $1.49. These cute glass bottles, and they have a sequin in the middle. They were $1.24. These fun beads, these were only 99 cents. And I found these first. I would not have purchased these had I found these other beads first, but these will go into my bead stash. I found this organizer of jump rings in these cool colors, and these were only $2.49. These look a little bit bigger. Hopefully I can use these. Hopefully I will be able to see them to use them. I found these cute jingle bells in these fun colors, and they have the openings so you could clip them to things. They were only 74 cents. It's a bracelet making kit, but I bought it to make dangles with, and I love these soft pastel colors, and it has the alpha. That was only $2.49. These glass bottles, I wish they had them in clear. I figured for Happy Mail, especially around Halloween, these would make really good Happy Mail projects. They were only $1.24. But I think these are the things that you can clasp down and make the ribbon charms. I think, maybe not. That's what I thought that they were. I think they are. Curved ribbon clamp. Okay, I was right. So that's what those are. I did find some of the wedding ribbon. I bought this one and this one. And I found the big spool of wire. That was $4.99. This also from the wedding section. It was $2.49. The pearls. And this is really fun for Happy Mail and to make charms and dangles with. Here's another type of bead kit. And I got them for these spacers. That was only 99 cents. These cute llama picks. I'm going to put them with the llama stickers that I picked up. These small crafting scissors, they were $1.49. These clay Happy Mail pieces. This is the envelope with the little heart. They're so cute. Sorry, I'm sitting on the floor. My leg is falling asleep here. Out of the way. Okay, I picked up some wax seals. We have this teal one and this yellow one. They were $1.37. The transparent ones, these were a little bit more, $1.49. Found these white flowers in the wedding section for 74 cents. I picked up these embossing tools for $2.24 and this quill tool for 74 cents. Some more beads for $1.24 and 2 packs of sequin, the orange and the pink, and they were 99 cents each. Found the Wink Stella pens, found the green, the blue, the purple, the black, this is the clear, and the red. I think my clear is dried up. My other color like exploded out of the bottom, so I'm going to be replacing some of my older ones with these newer ones. And I found some inks, and I pretty much got the last of all of the ones that they had. I was able to pick up 2 of the same one, which I'm gifting to someone else, but these were the only ones that they had. The Picked Raspberry and the Dusty Concord in the Distress Oxides for $1.49. I got one of the Hero Art was $1.99. In the VersaFine, I was able to find it in the blue, in the black, in the red, and in the green. And that's my Hobby Lobby clearance haul. I do have an entire bag of some of these items that I bought duplicate for Happy Mail. I won't be showing that so that some of my swap partners are surprised. This was such a great deal, and I have been loving watching everyone's hauls. I wish I had been able to find the Copics. I stopped at least 5 Hobby Lobbies every day for over a week, and then I just ended up completely missing them somehow. I'm so grateful that I found all these goodies, and I plan to put them to good use. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day.